My name is Julia Simon and I'm an educator for 40 years and I enjoy it tremendously. In our school we're using Montessori method for a simple reason: it is working and it is producing a fantastic result. Our students are able to gather information on their own or with the guidance of the teacher, and then they're able to use it in their lives. Besides the Montessori method, what gives us a very basic education, they're able to read at the age of 3 and do addition and takeaway at the age of 4. All the rest of the subject would come in. And you also can find in our school all the arts: gym, gymnastic, dance. Dance can be salsa and ballet. You can also have music and choir and several musical instruments. And on top of it, we are offering everyday gym class and everyday French class. So I would like to invite you to our open house and see it with your own eyes. Thank you.